Hi, I am Pawan Goel. I am founder of Blue Blocks Montessori preschool chain. I have done this Montessori training for the age group of 3 to 6 year old children, which is certified by AMI Netherlands, and I have also done Montessori birth 3-year training, which is certified by AMI USA, and I have started this school 4 years back, and in the last 4 years I have educated more than 15,000 parents across the country and also trained 1800 teachers across the country. That's a little about myself. Now your first question is, what are mothers worried about with respect to kids? Now what mothers are worried about mostly for the age group of 2 to 3 year old children is that they don't eat enough and they don't drink milk. So regarding food is a major concern for most of the parents, and the other major concern for them is that there is no discipline with the child. Now let me share how do I address the concern of children not drinking enough milk. Now every child loves his mother, but the moment the child looks at the mother with that milk glass in her hand, the child looks at the mother and mother looks like a monster there. The child knows, unless my mom is going to dump all the milk here, she is not going to leave me. Now the moment parents force, the child will automatically start losing interest in anything for that matter. So parents get to understand how with their forcing it doesn't work. Now your second question, what are mothers worried about with respect to children's mental development? So during this age of 2 to 3 years, parents don't understand what are the developments which are happening for this age group. So normally they have concerns with regard to their language development. Like some parents ask questions that my child is not able to speak in sentences, he is able to say some words but can't pronounce some sounds. So these are the normal concerns which parents have. What are different activities by which mothers and teachers engage with 2-3 year old children? Now at home, mostly mothers are engaging children by getting them to watch children. They take children to play area, and some educated and mothers who have done some research on how to keep children engaged, they involve children in day-to-day activities. Now at Blue Blocks, how do we engage 2 to 3 year old children? We do activities for their eye-hand coordination, motor coordination, fine motor skills, gross motor development, language development, sensorial development. So there are series of activities which we do for the age group of 2 to 3 year old children at Blue Blocks. Now what are benchmarks for mental development for a 2 to 3 year old child? Now let me first talk about language development. At around 2 years is when the child starts speaking in sentences, and by the time the child is 3, he is able to speak in sentences comfortably. With regard to motor coordination, a child at this age is able to carry a tray with 3 to 4 glasses full of water. With regard to his ability to concentrate, a child can work with something meaningful for more than half an hour. During this time is when most of the brain development is happening, and brain development is mostly supported through movement and sensorial development at this age. Your last question, mother to mother, what do they talk about? How important is the conversation? Any mother sharing her ideas to the other mother. Now what I have noticed mother to mother sharing is they do share about where do they buy the books for their child, where do they buy their clothing, how do they manage children to feed, the innovative ways of feeding the child in the elevator, sometimes feeding the child on the way in the car, and they do come up with a lot of those creative ideas. Thanks.